Hey everyone, in this video we are going to see the best free digital marketing tool that will help to grow your online business faster. Okay, let's see. Open your browser on PC or mobile. Then type H-Supertools, search and open this link H-Supertools.com. Here we go. Like I said in the title, this tool was 100% free all-in-one digital marketing tool. Okay, first sign up here. That will give some added advantage. Sure, I will tell you the reason at the end of this video. And this website link in the description, you can use that. Okay, let's see what are the tools are available on this website. For SEO tools, they have keyword research tool, bulk keyword tool, questions explorer, ICPC keyword explorer, free backlinks list, free backlinks checker, SEO analyzer. And for email marketing, they have free email address validator, bulk email validation, email test extractor, warm-up shuttle generator, subject line tester. Then for YouTube, they have YouTube keyword tool, YouTube top keyword explorer, YouTube title generator, YouTube channel search tool. And for web tools, privacy policy generator, terms and condition generator, article rewriter, password generator, text sharing, fast domainer. Then discovery tools, find influencers, top affiliate programs, Instagram hashtag generator, and artificial intelligence tools. They have AI content generator, free AI paragraph translator, and outline generator. And these are the services are available for free from this awesome website. Actually, I am using this website for the past 7 months. For me, mostly I am using YouTube keyword tool. Let's see that. Just click that to open in new window. Yeah. Actually, I use this tool to find out the search volume and difficulty of the title I preferred. Based on that data, I choose whether use the title on the video or it has to be changed. For example, if I type how to transfer files from iPhone to PC, search, then you will see these stats. Search volume 11k per month, which was decent, and difficulty of ranking medium, that's good. And if difficulty was low and medium, it means good for rank our videos. And here we can get the related keywords which was used for tags on our videos that helps to rank our videos on YouTube search. Just click the keyword you want to copy like this and click copy as tags. Then open text document and paste it here. And you can directly use these tags on your videos. Then this YouTube keyword explorer will give the high search volume and low competition keywords, and this will help to rank our videos easily. And recently they launched AI title generator. I hope it's much useful for browse type channels, and it's your need and wish. You can use any of the tools. For example, if you don't know the purpose of this tool means, just open that, scroll down a little bit, then you will find this information about the tool. And finally, why I said you need to sign up means, if we sign up, then only we get the complete advantage of this tool. Like on keyword research tool, if I did not log in means it shows up to 10 keywords list. But if I log in, it gives maximum keywords like this. And also, every time we use any of these tools, we get these H-Supertool points. I think currently we can't claim any reward, but in future it does. By any of these ways, you can find the clear details here. Okay, that's it. I hope this video really helps you. Thanks for watching.